might have seen a driver of a car or a truck slowing down the vehicle at a traffic signal. You too slow down your bicycle whenever needed by applying brakes. Have you ever thought why a vehicle slows down when brakes are applied? Not only vehicles, any object moving over the surface of another object slows down when no external force is applied on it. Finally, it stops. Have you not seen a moving ball on the ground stopping after some time? Why do we slip when we step on a banana peel? Why is it difficult to walk on a smooth and wet floor? You will find the answer to such questions in this chapter. 12.1 Force of Friction. Activity 12.1 Gently push a book on a table. You observe that it stops after moving for some distance. Repeat this activity, pushing the book from the opposite direction. Does the book stop this time too? Can you think of an explanation? Can we say that a force must be acting on the book opposing its motion? This force is called the force of friction. You saw that if you apply the force along the left, friction acts along the right. If you apply the force along the right, the friction acts along the left direction. In both cases, the force possesses the motion of the book. The force of friction always opposes the applied force. In the above activity, the force of friction acts between the surface of the book and the surface of the table. Is the friction the same for all the surfaces? Does it depend on the smoothness of the surfaces? Let us find out. So students, this is your introduction for the chapter Friction and activity 12.1, which is force of friction. Now you have learned from this activity that friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It acts on both the surfaces. Now, as per your exercise, you are now able to fill in the blank A. Friction opposes the dash between the surfaces in contact with each other. You can pause the video, write down your answer into the comment section, or wait for 5 seconds for the answer. So, the answer is relative motion. This is the end of the session.
Yeah, save battles right here.